Greetings, friends of the A Collision with Purpose movement. Welcome to Daily Insights, the home of wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Today's topic: the search for purpose. Why are we here? Let me begin by asking a question that might seem simple at first glance, but I assure you, this question is anything but simple. Why are we here? Now, I want you to understand that I am not talking about why you're in the space that you currently occupy. I mean, why are we here on this planet, in this vast universe, living the lives we lead? At some point in our lives, we all stare up at the night sky, awed by the countless stars, and wonder about our place in this immense cosmos. What is our purpose? Why do we wake up every morning, go through our routines, and lay our heads down each night? The search for purpose is a journey we all embark on, yet our paths are incredibly diverse. For some, purpose is found in the laughter of our children, the warmth of a loved one's embrace, or the satisfaction of a hard day's work. And yet, for others, it is the pursuit of knowledge, the creation of art, or the fight for justice that fills their hearts with meaning. But amidst these pursuits, we also face challenges and setbacks that test our resolve and make us question our very existence. Why must we endure pain, loss, or failure? What lessons are hidden in these challenging moments that shape our character and guide us toward our true purpose? Let me ask you another question, one that might hit closer to home. Have you ever felt like you're just going through the motions, trapped in a cycle of mundane tasks, wondering if there's more to life than this? I know I have. It is in these moments of doubt and uncertainty that the question of why am I here becomes more pressing, more urgent. The truth is, there is more than a one size fits all answer to this question. Our journey to find meaning is deeply personal, shaped by our experiences, beliefs, and the people we meet along the way. But one thing is clear: we are here to connect, to love, to grow, and to make a difference in our own unique way. And so, my friends, I encourage you to embrace the journey with an open heart and an inquisitive mind. Ask yourself, what makes you come alive? What are you passionate about? How can you contribute to the world around you? Your answer to these questions are clues to your purpose and the reasons why you're here. As we navigate the complexities of life, let us support each other in this quest for meaning. Let us share our stories, our dreams, and our challenges, knowing that we're not alone in this search. Together, we can find the strength to pursue our passions, overcome obstacles, and make our mark on the world. The question of why are we here may never have a definitive answer, but the journey, the experiences, relationships, and lessons along the way truly matters. So, my friends, let us embark on this adventure with courage, love, and the unshakable belief that each one of us is here for a reason, a purpose that only we can fulfill. Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.